Here she comes. 10 months of waiting. Ooh, mama. Let's go out, see what we got. Well, here's the big day, delivery day, February 7th, 2020. What a day it was. Snowstorm the night before. I didn't know if they were even going to get the delivery on time. So I was out early this morning, trying to get the driveway cleared. It was super icy, heavy. The snowblower wouldn't even work with the heavy wet rain and snow. So scrambled, got a workout in that morning, and Jake arrived with the delivery truck, as you can see here. I paid extra for this delivery service. I was actually going to try and rent a flatbed truck and go down to Boston, about 60 miles away, to pick it up, but I'm glad I paid the extra money for this delivery service. Jake put these crates exactly where I wanted with his fork truck. I'll tell you, I was super impressed with the packaging of these crates. Not a single dent or mark on these crates. Well packaged. I picked up a couple furniture dollies from Harbor Freight. You can see this here, where he was just set the front edge here on the furniture dollies and then kind of slid the long crate back into the garage bay. This large crate is where the car was packaged, and the smaller one you saw earlier, that's where a bunch of boxes and parts as well. Jake knew what he was doing. He has obviously run one of these fork trucks before, so he slid this in here perfectly. It's funny, these furniture dollies, they lasted about 3 minutes to get this in the garage with the weight on them. And you might be able to hear them cracking and crinkling here. Yeah, right there. As soon as he got this slid back in, those furniture dollies just crumbled into 100 pieces. They just broke, snapped. But for $10, they suited their purpose, and we got this thing in here exactly the way we wanted it.
If you can, yeah. You're looking pretty good. You're looking good.
Precision driver, putting this thing exactly where I wanted it. There I am, one happy guy on delivery day.
Bye, Jake. Good job, buddy.
Yeehaw! Now the fun begins.
Ooh-wee.